hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. The only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so that I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream.
What you doing?
Wrapping up cuts from yesterday.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right.
Yeah.
Day 2, right?
Day 2,
Getting ready for the Jersey job.
New Jersey.
But we're going to go downstairs and get our free hot breakfast. Every time that I can't go to the gym and get a workout, I always do as many push-ups as I can. Just one set of push-ups till failure. So 50 is good enough for me. All right, day 2, guys, at the Jersey job. So this was the big issue with this home. This is the exterior wall. And we've got a window here that shouldn't be there. Because if you notice here, this is your load-bearing beam. It's 4 beams. It's a center beam. There should have been a post coming down the wall supporting those beams. But instead, those beams are sitting on a window, which should not be here. Let's take a closer look. Where's Chatter? Chatter! Ha, 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 ha. There he is. That's it.
Yeah,
There's
so-
your beams right there. You're looking at them.
So it's sitting on a window. So we need to do some re-engineering here.
So beyond not being up to code, it's also just not a good way.
That's unsafe.
Yeah.
It's structurally unsafe.
It's a load-bearing wall. So we're ready to rebuild the wall now. Chatter's already got the outside pulled apart, and he's got all the materials to rebuild that wall. So he's going to have to restructure everything so that the weight from those beams, so we're in the basement, we're on the lower level. Those beams, that's essentially the first floor of the home.
Yes.
And so that weight has to be redistributed
Down to the floor.
down to the floor, which is your foundation there. So we don't do junk cleanouts. This is something that I have no desire to do. The only time we ever do it is if we're getting ready to remodel a house. And so this is actually extreme for what we normally do. This is a lot. But I did find something cool. Check it out. Happy New Year. All right, so one of the biggest things that I tell my guys is when you're doing removals and we have to get rid of all the existing junk, furniture, stuff that's in the house, and this house is going to be a full load. But if you notice how I'm packing it in, I'm really being careful, taking the time to put it in there specifically and then make room for the furniture, like that Tetris game. You can fit more in. If I just threw everything in here without breaking stuff down, without kind of organizing it a little bit, this would be 2 loads. So that would cost me 2 trips. That would cost me 2 whole loads at the dump. Whereas right now, I've got 1 trip. I'll make 1 load. That's it. All right. So keep it simple. right, friends. So what we've got going on here is now we're wide open. We've got the support column inside there. See it? So now all the weight is inside, okay? So if you notice, that's hold up, let me level you. That's level, okay? So if you notice, it has sagged a little bit. So we're gonna get another inch out of that. But notice the damage. It doesn't just stop there. It's also on the subfloor of the floor above it in the bathroom. Chatter. All of this. See how far it's gotten? All of this is from what? A leaking toilet?
Wax ring.
The wax ring went bad and it wasn't replaced, okay? The tub seal, the drain seal on this side. So two things went bad. Seals have to be replaced. And if you notice even a small leak, get it checked, okay? Because this is what's happening behind the walls. Got some guests here. These are my brothers. They actually live really close to where we're working in Jersey, because you all know that's where I'm from. Let me lower our exposure here. Make it, there we go. Much better. We're gonna go show them what we're working on. Let's go check on Chatter. What you got going on, bud?
Post A, post, sir, in, post, sir, A, post, post A, post.
Closer to the foundation. I packed out the sill plate on the foundation to use the entire width of the block, and then made a triple here for a new post, which in fact does hold about 3 inches of solid beam. So like the back half is rotted, but about 1.5 inches in, it starts to be solid again. So that's definitely helping the situation. And now I'm going to repost. I still got to do some cutting out of here, cut this stuff out. But we pin everything. Kind of go from there.
All right. Well, it's looking good for now. All right, so the third floor room is done and ready for paint. I got it all cleared out, pulled out the carpets, carpet pad is gone. So next thing for in here, we're gonna skim coat the walls because it's this weird rough texture. You see that? So we'll skim coat the walls, make them nice and smooth, and then paint the walls, ceiling, and trim. And then that's it for the third floor. And Chatter's out there buttoning up that wall, putting some sheathing up there to at least keep it protected from the elements till we get back here next week. So just the other day, a friend of mine came over to the job site where we were working, and he pulled in just as I was carrying something, and Chatter was fixing up a wall over there. And he asked me, he said, "Adam, you're almost 40 years old. What the heck are you doing still doing labor?" And the answer it was really easy. It's because I'll never stop, because I love it. And it's ingrained in me, right, Chatter?
And somebody needs to do it.
And somebody needs to do it. A lot of people don't work anymore, and we see that happen so often with people that come out and try to work with us and
Can't keep up.
They can't keep up. They don't even know what kind of pace we run at, you know. And I think it keeps, even though it makes you feel a little older after the day's done, but it keeps you feeling young at the same time. If that makes sense.
Yeah, when you're like doing laps around somebody that's half your age.
And we do,
Yeah.
right? And they come out here and they think they can work, people can work, and it's just,
Put them to the test.
yeah, it's unfortunate. So I hope my kids learn to work. And I hope they're picking up these things.
It's a lost trade. Soon there's not going to be anybody to do it.
There used to be pride in being a tradesman,
Right.
right?
Right.
I don't think there's
A lot.
that pride in being a tradesman anymore.
There still is, but not as.
Not as much.
Yeah, it's
Right.
probably at like 30%.
Yeah.
Back in the day, it was like 75%.
It was huge. It was a big
Yeah.
deal, you know. So we gotta get kids understanding trades better and appreciating trades and learning these qualities.
Yeah.
All right. Well, for us, back to work. All right. So we're wrapping up day 2 here at the Jersey job.
Day 2.
Got to reframe this back wall, put up some temporary sheathing while we figure out the window situation. If you remember, there was a window right here that shouldn't have been there. Should never have actually been in that location. So I think we're going to propose to the homeowner that we just sheathe the wall complete without a window. So that way we can support it properly. What's the matter?
86 the window.
Yeah. I don't think it's 86.
That's 86.
I think it's like 96, the window.
No, it's 86. Google it.
Google?
86. I don't know why.
I don't know the saying. Is
Where'd
it
it come
86? Like when you get rid of it, like nix it? Nix it. Like
Nix
you
it.
nix the window.
Where'd it come from?
I don't know. What does it mean? Does anybody know what it means? 86 the window, 96 the window,
Let us know.
76 the window? Let us know. Right in the comment section.
Yes.
Because we don't know. Somebody help us out. 2 days on the Jersey job went well. The wall was not a whole lot worse than we were expecting. We got one full room cleaned out and a lot of junk. And we got a whole dump truck, 16-foot flatbed dump, full. All right? Full.
Pretty cool.
All right. Stay tuned. Catch you next time. Chatter. Rock and roll.